Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I want to do a unboxing of this Avapow portable car charger. So what this does is this is going to be used as a backup battery charger for your car. If your battery dies or if your alternator dies, you should be able to use this temporarily so that you can get to wherever you need to get. And I got this on Amazon. The retail price on this one I believe was $149.99. And I think Amazon right now is having a sale for $89.99, and they're also adding an extra $40 coupon. So end up costing me $50. I think it was like $54 with tax. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open this up here. All right. So the other day, my alternator went out of my car, and as I was talking to the tow truck guy, he told me, he recommended I buy one of these, and so here it is. So he said any of them should do, so you don't actually have to buy this one, but this is the one that I chose because I saw the reviews are really good. I think it weighs about, I'm gonna say 10 pounds or so. Let's go ahead and take this off here. So see, I'm gonna clip this part here. So let's cut this off here. The stickers here are kind of annoying. All right, let's get rid of this tape. And so it's not fun when you have your alternator go out, because if your alternator goes out and you jump start your battery's not going to hold the charge, because the alternator charges the car battery. So here it is. Pull this thing out. All right, so it comes in a case. So this is really cool. So this is already pre-packaged, so basically you don't have to buy a carrying case for it. All right, and so here's the zipper. Let's unzip this bad boy here and see what's inside. So it has, I think this is a, I guess you could scan it here to go and download the barcode. And then here's the user guide. And these are the cables. So these are the jumper cables that you're going to put on the car. So this is the plus minus. All right. So you have the grounding, and then this one goes on your red. All right. So that's cool. And it also comes with Type-C charging, and it has a 60-watt battery fast charger, man. So this thing is real fast. So this thing should be up and running pretty fast. And here's the charger. All right, put everything to the side here, and see how do you work this thing. So I don't know much about it. So right here on the side, I guess this is where you're going to go ahead and charge it through your USB. It's got micro USB as well, and Type-C. So that's cool. And 12 volts out. So this is also really cool. All right. So you're going to use that, plug this in to charge it into the wall. And so let's go ahead and see if there's any power here. So this one's already got 71%. So that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fully charge this thing, and then I'm going to take it back to my car, and I'm going to try to jump start the battery. So on my next video, I'm going to actually see how this thing works. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.